Hey there, Mike with AWM Water Features here. We're on the site of our newest project. We're installing a wetland filter on an existing pond. There's the hole for the wetland filter right here. But the really interesting thing about this job is just the access. There is none. We have this area here is the pond. You can see the house behind me, and then we come this way and we have the pool. Right here we have a strip on either side of the pool that's maybe 2 to 3 feet wide, and this is the route we're taking to bring all of our equipment in and the gravel. So that will offer us some challenges. We have over here, we have our pile of gravel for the wetland filter, and some of my guys are going to have some fun wheelbarrowing that in today.
Go. Alright, turn. Straight. Forward. Shoes are getting filled with dirt. Turn. Straight. We're good.